Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. So today we are going to discuss seating arrangement part 4. Okay. Here today, yesterday we discussed this problem, but it's not completed actually. So we'll solve this problem once again. Then we'll move for the next questions. Okay. Is it clear? Now, first thing, what they are saying here, there are six boys and 5 girls is there. We need to pick 6 as a team. 6 members as a team actually. So in that 6, according to we need to arrange how many members is boys, how many members is girls. They're asking. Okay. Second thing, see, if include P, the team has 3 girls. Totally, how many girls is there? Total team 6 members, right? 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members is there. Okay. The 6 members, one is included P actually. Okay. P already included. P included here. Okay. P is the girl, right? Okay. P is a girl. And along with them, remaining members. Okay. The team has 3 members. So already one girl is there. So remaining 2 girls will be there. So these are 2 girls. Okay. These 2 girls, and these 2 girls. Okay. Remaining, okay, boys. Boys are, we can take, okay, only boys we have to take because 3 girls they said. Okay. Then first person they said P, and then here along with P, is there any condition? Along with P, there is no D. D, there have a no chance for, is already P is there. So D we cannot take. D means we cannot take A also. So 2 boys are gone. Okay. And then B and P are together and C and Q are together. Okay, we'll take S and T first of all. S and T. If both girls is S and T, that means along with S, T will come, but C cannot come, right? C cannot come. So C cannot come. Okay. And we have 3 girls now. And remaining D is not there, A is not there, C is not there. Who's the remaining in boys? B, E, F. B, E, F. But B and E cannot be together, right? B and B cannot be together. So this is not possible. That means here we cannot take S and T. Okay. That means we cannot take S and T here. So S, T, there is no chance for ST. Now, who's the remaining girls is there still? ST is not having the chance. And who's the remaining girls is there? P, Q, R, ST. ST is not chance. Only 2 things. Q, only Q and R will be the getting chance. Okay. Then, who's the boys here? D cannot take. A cannot take. We can take C, right? We can take C now. C. Okay. And along with C, Q is there. Along with C, Q is there. Okay. Comes, right? So R also we take. Along with R, B will come. Along with R, B will come here. B. Okay. If B is there, E cannot be in the group. So who will be there? F. And this is, we know, B. So the order is B, C, F, Q, R. These are the 5 members excluding P. So option 1 is the right. Is it clear? No. Now moving to the next. What they're asking. If the team includes C, consists of 4 boys. The members of the team other than C are. Okay. C is included. What they're saying first of all? They're saying 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members is there. Okay. 6 members. And in 6 members, how many boys is there? C included already. C is included. C. Just C included means along with C, Q will be included, right? Is it clear? Now, what they're saying, 4, if that team includes C consists of 4 boys. 4 boys is there. Consists of 4 boys. C is a 1 boy and remaining 2 members is there. Just take, you can take A and D. If I take the A and D, if I take A means along with A, D will come, right? So D cannot with P. D cannot with P. 4 boys means remaining 2 girls will be there, right? 4 boys means remaining 2 girls will be there. So here I can take 2 girls means I can take Q, right? I can take Q is already here, so cannot take. I'll take R. Along with R, B will be there, right? So 4 boys is there, A, D, B, C is boys is there, C, Q is there. And what they're asking, rather than C, A, B, D, Q, R. Yeah, this one is the correct answer. Okay, they clear this, guys? Is it clear? So they're asking C is there, including C, automatically will get Q. And remaining 3 boys we require. In the 3 boys, we'll take A and D as the 2 boys because they are together. Then remaining 1 person, so we can take B because if we are if taking the R, then should be definitely B will come, right? Okay. So another last question for you. If the 4 members included E have to be boys, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what they're saying? If 4 members including E have to be boys, the members of other than E. So now here including E. Okay. Now we are including A means yeah, ma, sure. This is an idea. Okay. See here including E first. Okay, I'll clear this first of all. I'll take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Who's there included already? E included. Okay. E is there here. Now, including E, 4 members are boys. They are asking that one only, right? 4 members including A. So, what are the conditions here? E included means we cannot take B, right? See, B cannot be a team of E. So we cannot take B here. Cannot take B here. That is nothing but stamp you can take. So B is not possible. Then who's the remaining boys is there? A and A, D, E, F is there. Okay. If I take A, D is there, so B is not there. Okay, I'll take A, D ma. Okay, I'll take A, D. So who's the another person? C or F? We can take C here. We can take C here. Suppose C, D is there, and along with C, who will get here? Q will get here, right? So another girl for we cannot take S single because S always together with T, and we cannot take R because R always with B. B is cannot with E. So we cannot take C here. Okay, we cannot take C here. So here we can take F. We'll try this. F. Okay, 4 boys is there. A, D, and F, E. 4 boys is there. Who's the remaining 2? S and T. S and T. Is it clear now? Is it clear? So who's the members? Which is answer A, D, E, F, S, T. R. A, D, F, S, T. Second one is the answer, right answer. Clear, guys? Can I move to the next question? Guys, say me. Can I move to the next question? Okay then, chalo. Clearing all this and move to the next part of thing. First, we'll start the circular one. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry. I really forgot. Wait a minute, guys. I'm really sorry. Okay. No. Sorry for that one. And that was the last class actually. It was the last class. I forgot to share this one. Okay, now see. So this is now the question here. The new question we are going to start. There's a new question here. See. Set. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S are sitting around a circular table facing the center. But can you see the question right now? Is it clear, right? Are you able to see this one? Yes. Okay. Okay. Read the question first of all. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S are sitting around a circle table facing to the center, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, as usual. They all are having discussion on the important topic. Okay. N is immediate neighbor of the both L and R. L is immediate neighbor of both L and R. Who is an immediate neighbor of P? Who is immediate neighbor of P? P sits second to the left of N. P sits second to the left of N. Only two persons sit between P and S. M is immediate neighbor of O. Only one person sits between M and Q. See, here, how many members is there total? N, L, R, 3, P, 4, and S, M, Q, O. Totally 8 members is there, right? Totally 8 members is there. See, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. 3 plus. Totally 8 members is there. I'll reduce this one. Okay, can I able to read this right? Okay, now see, I'm taking a circle here. I'm taking a circle, and how many members here? I'm going to arrange them in a proper way. First of all, they're facing center. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Sorry, yeah, 3, 3, 2. Done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs is there. That means total 8 members is there. Clear? Now, what they are saying first of all, N is an immediate neighbor of both L and R. Okay, this one is okay, but we don't know where L will be, where R will be. Okay, keep aside. P sits second to the left of N. Okay, only two persons sit between P and S. P and S. Where the P, where is the C? We don't know. S. Okay. M is immediate neighbor of O. Okay, immediate neighbor means there may be a left, there may be a right. Okay, only one person sit between M and Q. So no statement is directly, but you can take at least this one only. Okay, and you know the facing is center. That means it is L. This is R. Okay, L R L R L R L R, L, R, just opposite, L, R, L, R. Okay, now for understanding purpose, I'm writing this. No need of writing this, all these things. Okay, now come to the point. So we'll take N only first. So this one only. N is immediate neighbor of both L and R. Okay, I'm taking N here, N here. Immediate neighbors, that means one is left, one is right. So I'm taking L here, I'm taking R here. Okay, think it is. Okay, who is an immediate neighbor of P? Okay, both N is immediate neighbor of both L and R, and who is immediate neighbor of P? Immediate neighbor of P. Okay, that means they are saying here P is a neighbor of L. P is a neighbor of, sorry. P is neighbor of R here. So we have to consider R here. Okay. P is neighbor of R. Okay, I'm taking P is here. I'm taking P is here. Okay. P. Now, and the second kind, P sits second to the left of N. Okay. Here they given P sits second to the left of N. So N is here. Who's the left? Here, this one. So P is here, ma. P here, they given here. P is here. That means not L here. Here will be R. Why I am taking here R, here L? They given here immediate neighbor of P, R, L and R. Who's the last person? R. Who immediate neighbor of P? They are given. So P is second left to the N. Second left to the N is P, and who is the neighbor of R? Okay, the neighbor of R. Then okay, half of the problem is solved here. P sits second to the left of, only two persons sit between P and S. Only sit between P and S. P is here. P is here. Two persons between P and S. Suppose if you take here, it's already L is occupied this place, R is occupied this place, and we have to take like this. It is S, then two persons sits in between P and S. P and S. Okay. M is immediate neighbor of O. Only one person sit between P and Q, M and Q. Okay. So here, how many points is there? Here already L is there, here N is there, R is there, P is there, S is there. These are fixed. Okay. And M is immediate neighbor of O, they said. Suppose if, can I take M here? Can I take M here? So if M I taken here, that the neighbors of M is L and S. But what they said, M is an immediate neighbor of O. So we cannot take M here, right? It is middle of the S and L. So we cannot take M here. We can take M here. Suppose think. M, if I take here, immediate neighbor of O. Okay. We can take O here. Okay, right? And only one person sit between M and Q. M is here. So Q position, it will be here only. Okay, one person sits in between M and Q. Okay. Yes. Okay. Satisfied. So this is L. This is N. This is R. This is R. Now this is our seating arrangement circle. So N, R, P, O, M, S, Q, and L. Okay. Now the questions for this one. Now you just see the questions here. First question. What is the position of O with respect S? With respect S, what is the O position? S is here. It is a right side. It's a right, right? 1, 2, right. Second right. O is second right. Is there option here? Second right of, second to the right. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Second to the right. And then 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way, thus from the group which is the one is does not belong to the group. Okay, they're given the pairs, they're following one pattern. MS, okay, MS just beside the ones, right? MS, neighbors, okay. QL, where is the Q and L? Okay, neighbors, okay. NM, where is N? Where is the M? Opposite each other, okay. P, R and P. R is here, P is here. Neighbors. And OM. OM also is neighbors. Okay. Then which is different? N and M. N and M is a difference. Okay. Because that both are opposite actually. Yes. Okay, now see another question. Who among the following sit second left of one who on immediate right of O? What they're asking? Immediate right of O. Who among the following sit second to the left of one who is on immediate right of O? Immediate right. Who's that immediate right? Here is a O. Immediate right is P, nothing but P. Okay, immediate right is P. And who is among the following second to the left of, second to the left? Who's the second left? This is the left. 1, 2 is M only, right? M. M is the answer. Okay. Which of the following persons sit between M and Q? M and Q, only one person is there, that is S. Okay. Who among the following sit third to the right of one who sit opposite of N? Who the following sit third right of the person who opposite N? Who's opposite N? M. M, third right. Third right. 1, 2, 3. So third right only, right? It is nothing but R. It is nothing but R is the right answer. R is the right answer. Is it clear? Okay. Then these were the problems. Okay. Now we'll move for the first question. Now move for the first question. Okay, study the following information. First, 9 persons: Anu, Bablu, Chinu, Dona, Isha, Faria, Gaurav, Harish, and Ishita. 9 members are sitting in a row and all are facing north. It is known that Chinu sits exactly in the middle and there is no person to the right of Ishita. Dona is fourth to the right of Faria. Gaurav and Harish are sitting next to each other. Isha is the neighbor of Dona but not of Chinu. Harish doesn't sit any extreme corner. Dona is not sitting adjacent to the either Chinu or Ishita. Okay. Anu is second to the right of Harish. So medium level questions I said, right? So this is how the medium level questions. Okay. See, I'll show you here first of all. I'll show you what they're saying. It is a row. Okay. I'm taking one row from here to here. Not like this. Okay. You take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members. Okay. 8, 9 members is there. Okay. 9 members. Draw them. You just try to draw this one and try to solve this one. First of all. Okay. Leave it this one. First of all, what they're saying here, Chino is exactly middle and there is no person of right of Ishita. They are facing north side. You need to remember this. They are facing north side. Okay, one thing important. And then it will be the right and it will be the left for everyone. And first point they're saying Chino sit exactly middle. What's the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the middle, right? This is the middle. Who's this person? Chino. Okay. C is the middle. So here 4 members is there, here 4 members is there. And another point they given, there is no person to the right of Ishita. Right of Ishita means, so if he is she sits here, 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 here. She having the one person will be right, but what they're saying, there is no person to the right of Ishita. That means she's nothing but right extreme corner, right extreme corner. Ishita is here. There is no right, any person will be there. Extreme corner. Okay. What's they're saying? No, there is no right of any person. There is no right of any person. This is right, right? So no. Okay. Dona is fourth to the right of Faria. Okay. Fourth to the right of Faria. Suppose think, if Faria is here, if Faria is here, fourth right, take 1, 2, 3, 4. Here Dona will come, right? Assume first thing. Okay. And next, Gaurav and Harish sitting next to each other. We don't know. That may be here, that may be here. Okay. We'll see the next anything. Isha is neighbor of Dona, but not neighbor of Chinu. Isha is neighbor of Dona, but not neighbor of Chinu. Okay, we can take Isha also here. Okay, neighbor of Dona, not neighbor of Chinu. Okay. Harish, not extreme corner. Dona is not sit adjacent to the either Chinu or Ishita. Okay. See here, this point. Consider this point. Dona is sitting adjacent there, Chinu and Ishita. So Ishita adjacent, the side of the Ishita, Dona is not going to be here. So that means Farida is not going to be here. That means Ishita also, Isha also not going to be here. So take these three out of first thing. So is there maybe chance we can take here Faria? Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Place is D, Dona, right? Okay. And that means Dona is there. And see here. What do we know that Isha is neighbor of Dona, but not neighbor of Chinu. Okay, Isha is neighbor of Dona, not neighbor of Chinu. This we can take Isha we can take, right? And Anu is the second right of Harish. Okay, we don't know. Now, Harish and Gaurav will be sit to the next to the each other. This point. Okay, next to the each other. So there is no here. If Harish means here already C occupied, D occupied, E occupied. So here Harish means here Faria occupied, here Chino occupied. There's only two is there. If Harish and Gaurav, if I take like this, and one more point they given, Harish does not sit any extreme corner. That means Harish is not going to be here. So these two positions will be just interchange. I'll take Gaurav here. I'll take Gaurav here and Harish here. Is it clear now? Okay. Harish and Gaurav is sitting together. Okay. And Harish not in the same extreme corner. Okay. Anu is second right of Harish. Harish, this will be the right. Okay. This will be the right. Okay. Second right. 1, 2. Second right is Anu. Is Anu here. Okay. Then whose the position is left? A, Gaurav is filled, Harish is filled, Farida is filled, and Anu is filled, Chino is filled, and D, Dona is filled, Isha is filled, Ishita also filled. Who's that remaining? Bablu. Here, there is no chance. Here will be the Bablu. Okay. Now, we got the places. Then try to answer the questions first of all. Well, the first question, who's sitting to the immediate left of Chino? Chino is here. Who's the left? Immediate left. This is the left. Who's the left? Anu. Anu is the right answer. Okay. And who is sitting between Bablu and Isha? Bablu and Isha? Not Farida. Okay. Here, Dona, right? Isha and Bablu, Dona. Okay. Next question. 4 of the following, like in a certain way, thus from the group, which of the following does not belong to the group? Okay. Was that Gaurav and Harish? Okay, they are both together. Chino and Bablu. Okay, they are both together. Faria and Gaurav. Faria and Gaurav. No. Dona and Nisha. Okay, together. Isha and Ishita. Okay, together. Who's that? Faria and Gaurav. Faria is here. Gaurav is here. In between, Harish is there. So it is not in the part of the group. So this one. Who is sitting third to the right of Harish? Same, at least answer say. I given the form, right? Who's sitting third to the right of Harish? Who's the third right of Harish? Say. It's nothing but Chinu. Yes. Third right. 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay. And last question. Who is sitting in the leftmost seat on the row? Who is the left corner? The corner. Who's the left corner? Who's sat here? Who is sitting in the left corner? Left corner. Nanna. Who is sitting at the leftmost seat is the row? Leftmost corner. Who's the corner in the left? Gaurav, right? What's they're saying? Who is sitting at the leftmost seat? Leftmost seat of the row. Leftmost seat is nothing but Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav is